Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today there will be a fairly simple and short lesson on how to show hidden files and folders in Windows 11, and where to find the Program Data folder. Open File Explorer, then this PC, and double-click the C drive. The Program Data folder is located here, but to see it you need to enable the display of hidden folders and files. To do this, click the three dots icon at the top of the window, go below, and select Options. In this window you need to open the View tab. Here we need to find the line, Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, and click on it. Click Apply. OK. Yes, now we see the hidden Program Date folder, and if you still need it, you can leave the Program Date folder visible. In the future this will not affect the operation of the computer in any way. Now I will show you one way to open protected system files. Click the three dots icon, and select Options. Now tab View. And here you need to find the line, Hide Protected Operating System Files. Uncheck the box, and we immediately receive a system warning that hidden files cannot be deleted or edited, otherwise this may disrupt the performance of Windows. I press Yes. Apply. OK. Now we see that there are several more hidden files in this folder. We can see the same similar files in other places, for example, on the desktop. There are several more ways to open protected system files, in the registry editor or when using the command prompt, and this will be shown in another video tutorial. I hope that what I told you was interesting and could help you. If you found this helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you in the future. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.